and welcome to Teach, Read, Play. Today we are going to create our own sensory bottle. Now, sensory bottles have often been used for children with special educational needs and children in the early years settings. I hope you enjoy the video, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe for more content like this. So to begin, I'll just show you what things I've bought for today. So really simple things today. Just a glitter set from Home Bargains, 99p. It's really simple, but great stuff in there. So you get some glitter, and you get these tiny little pots with confetti in. We've got different shapes here and sequins. They're great, the children love them. So all of that for 99p. Also pipettes, which are great for fine motor skills and also just any waterworks and water activities. A pack of 16 for £1 works. And just some general food colouring. Now, this food colouring has been taken from a big bottle that I've got at school. Any food colouring that you get in the supermarket will be absolutely fine. Please be careful with the food colouring because it can be poisonous. So all that you need is a plastic bottle and some food colouring to start with. So with the food colouring, you can just use a pipette to measure. So you might want to get a child to do this for you. So pop the pipette into the food colouring, and as you can see, I've got almost a full measure of red food colouring. So pop that in and just get another pipette and fill that one up and just pop it in. Quite fascinating actually. And once you've done that, you may begin to start pouring the water. And then you can just start filling up that bottle with water. So I've just got a jug of water here. This is a really good activity to get the children to do because it requires a lot of concentration. It also helps their fine motor skills. It's quite a fun thing to do as well. Kids absolutely love it. You might find you want to add some more water after. Okay. Now once you've done that and you've poured in your water, you might like to pour in some glitter. Kids absolutely love glitter. So I'm just going to add some more water to fill it up. Now you'll see as we fill up with more water, you might find that the colour dilutes a little. So you might want to add another pipette of food colouring. Just to bring that colour through a bit more. Okay, now once you've got that, you might want to add some glitter to your sensory bottle. Now children can go a bit crazy with this, so you might want to supervise them with this. Now that has just settled at the top at the moment, but at the end when we mix the bottle, you'll see that it will start to float. Now you can add any of the other sequins that you would like to use. So I've got stars today that I'd like to add into my sensory bottle. Just going to add some stars there. This is really cool. And you probably don't need too many. So I've got some stars. I also love these, they're little hearts. So we're going to pop in some heart confetti. And we've also got, these ones were my favourite. These have capital letters and numbers in. So you can add those in too. I think they'll look really cool when they're floating around. And once you're happy with what you have added, remember you can always continue to add some more. So you can test out what the sensory bottle is looking like first. So if you pop the lid on top, make sure that's on really nice and tight. And then just slowly begin to give that a little shake. And you can just see those colours now and the glitter and all the confetti. Absolutely fascinating and really super simple and easy to make. I hope that you enjoy having your sensory bottle. Have lots of fun watching all of the different shapes moving around in the glitter. And remember to comment, like and subscribe with your experience of making your sensory bottles. Bye bye.